Hey, I feel like it's been a while. I wasn't planning on shooting a one. Am I filthy? I'm a little dirty. Anyway, I wasn't planning on shooting a one-day build this week, and yet, I have this pot lid. Oh, look at that! I have this pot lid, and it's missing a handle. The handle existed, but it fell off because this was spot welded because of planned obsolescence and products with no love in their hearts. That happens. It's part of living in the modern world. But this fits my favorite small rice pot. And so I like it. And I'm going to make it work for another 20 years by drilling out where the spot welds were and adding a couple of little button-headed, probably 256 button-headed screws. Yeah. Let's get into it. Let's see here. Ah, right. Does that go down to... Wow, it does. Okay. We're going to do it with 256. Yep. And a couple of washers. Two more. Right. Yeah, right. So, whenever I need two of something, I pull out three. Oh, I forgot that was full of all the important parts because I'm not paying attention. All right. What size drill bit do I want? Whoa, I love the smell of hot cutting oil. God, it's so refreshing. All right. Oh, ow! Tiny, tiny sharp pieces of metal. Okay, that goes there. Now, Oh, right, I need a nut driver. This is literally going to be like one of the fastest one-day builds ever. Oh, right, I want to clean those up. So, oh, right, let's clean these up. All right. Washer on the underside, up through, on top, washer on the upper side. Oh, hey, play nicely. Wait a second. Yeah, there we go. Loose fit. I don't want to commit just yet. Washer on the bolt side, up and through. Washer on the handle side, and down, and okay. Oh. Excellent. Here we can see the repair that I effected. What I've got here are two 256 button-headed Allen screws with two 256 nylock nuts with a washer in between each one, and this should give me another decade or two of service. I'm really pleased with it. Wait, I can zoom out this way. Hold on. There we go. Oh, very pretty. Yeah. Oh, that's it. There you go. Real time, 5 minute, easy peasy, one day build. A little bit of home repair. Often one of my favorite things to do. Thank you guys for joining me. Peace out.
Well, the holiday season wouldn't be the holiday season if it didn't include some ugly sweaters, and we have a couple of wonderful doozies here at Tested based off of our demerit badges. These are badges celebrating the mistakes, foibles, and injuries we encounter in shop practice. This is an homage to me almost losing my finger while cleaning my lathe early on in COVID. This is about releasing the mysterious blue smoke from electronics that ceases them to work, that causes them to cease to work. You can get your own Tested Ugly sweater at tested-store.com. Is that right? Tested-store.com. Get your ugly sweater this year. Happy holidays.